If you have a bike with an integrated connectivity system that lets you pair both your phone and the intercom, in this tutorial we'll show you how to pair them correctly. First, from our multimedia display, also known as the TFT, let's go into the Bluetooth settings and pair the phone. Connect new mobile device. Your phone must of course have Bluetooth turned on. Once it appears on the TFT screen, simply go ahead and confirm the pairing. And make sure to provide all the necessary confirmations on both your phone and the TFT screen. Once the phone is paired to the TFT, we can proceed with the intercom pairing. On your intercom, start the phone pairing procedure, because your intercom sees the TFT as if it were a phone. With the BTR1 or BTR1 Advanced X on, so from off, I hold the center and down buttons. Once it's on, I hold the volume plus button for about 3 seconds to enter main phone pairing. From the TFT screen, simply select the option to pair a new helmet. Wait for the Midland BTR1 Advanced X name to appear on the display and then confirm the pairing process. Intercom paired. Please note, when using the TFT, the phone and intercom should never be paired directly to each other. If you don't want to lose the ability to use the Midland Connect app, check out how to do it in the tutorial dedicated to the app. The TFT will allow you to view your phone on a larger screen and control it directly using the buttons on the handlebar. As a result, you'll no longer need to use the phone screen or the buttons on the intercom. Your hand can always stay firmly on the grip of your handlebar.